Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're your favorite English-speaking friends, and we're here to help you sound more natural, more confident, and smarter when you speak English.
Absolutely. How are you doing today? Are you feeling energized, or are you still dreaming of the weekend?
Oh, I'm good, but honestly, I think I always have one foot in the weekend, even on a Tuesday. How about you, Emma?
That sounds very familiar. And that's actually a great way to introduce our topic today. We're going to be talking all about weekdays versus weekends, how our lives totally change between Monday and Sunday, and exactly how you can talk about all those changes using real natural English.
It's true. The vocabulary we use, the grammar tenses we choose, it all flips when we go from talking about our busy schedule to talking about how we just want to sleep in.
Exactly. So whether you are trying to describe your daily grind at the office or your fun, spontaneous weekend plans, we've got you covered.
And before we dive in, a quick friendly reminder, if you're enjoying the podcast, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this episode with another friend who's learning English. It helps us keep the lights on and the coffee brewing.
Especially the coffee, because honestly, who actually loves and expressions?
Let's kick off with some practical words. Let's start with the things we deal with during the work week, the weekdays.
Perfect. Number one has to be the commute. This is the journey you make every day between your home and your job or school. You can say, my commute takes about 45 minutes. It's often miserable.
Tell me about it. And a big part of the misery is dealing with the alarm clock. Nobody wants to hear that sound at 6 a.m.
So true. And once you're at work, you have deadlines. These are the final dates or times by which something must be completed. For example, I have a huge project deadline on Friday, so I'm working late tonight.
Deadlines and meetings, two words that strike fear into my heart. And if you live in a big city, you've definitely experienced rush hour. That's the time in the morning and evening when traffic is heaviest because everyone is commuting.
Great choices. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, the weekends. Our favorite activity, to sleep in. This means you stay in bed longer than usual, past your normal wake-up time.
Yes, please. I live for Saturday mornings when I can finally sleep in until 9 or 10 a.m.
And what do you do once you're up? You might hang out with friends. That's a very casual phrase that means spending time together socially. We're gonna hang out at the park this afternoon.
Or sometimes I have to clean up. This simply means tidying and organizing your house or apartment, which I always put off until Saturday morning.
Finally, a beautiful phrase. Spend time with family. You can use this for specific activities or just relaxing together. I always spend time with my family on Sunday afternoon. Routine versus plans.
Emma, sometimes I get confused. When I talk about my routine, I use one way. But when I talk about my plans, I use another. Can you help us clarify?
Of course. This is the perfect moment to talk about the difference between the present simple and the present continuous tenses, especially when talking about your weekly life.
Lay it on us.
Okay, we use the present simple to talk about things that are permanent. true in general, or happen repeatedly, your daily routine or habits. Think weekdays.
Got it. Routine, simple.
Exactly. Listen to these examples. I usually wake up early on weekdays. Routine. Leah always drinks coffee before checking her emails. Habit. The train leaves at 7 a.m. every day. Schedule.
Okay, so I could say I work from home 3 days a week. That's my routine.
Perfect. Now, let's look at the present continuous. We use this for actions happening right now or for definite, pre-arranged plans in the near future, like your weekend plans.
So this is where I use the ing form.
You got it. Look at the difference. Routine, I play soccer every Saturday. Present simple. Plan, I'm playing soccer with my coworkers this Saturday. Present continuous.
Let me try. Instead of saying I relax, I can say I'm relaxing at the beach on Sunday.
Yes, you are talking about a definite plan you have already arranged. So if you're talking about a party you planned, you say, we're having a party on Friday night. It sounds much more natural than saying we will sound in a natural conversation. Jack, tell me, how is your week looking?
My week is pretty typical. I'm just trying to survive until Friday, honestly. I commute to the office 5 days a week, and right now I'm trying to finish a bunch of small tasks, so I feel like I'm constantly running to meetings.
See how Leah used present simple for her routine? I commute, and present continuous for the ongoing action. I'm constantly running. Very smart. For me, my weekdays are very structured. I have a routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day, I make a plan for the day, and I stick to my schedule.
You are the most organized person I know. My life is more spontaneous.
So, what about the weekend? Do you have any definite plans? What are you doing this Friday night?
Well, my friends and I are hanging out at a new cafe tomorrow evening. We haven't finalized the restaurant for dinner yet, but we're probably going for pizza after.
That sounds fun. Pizza is a great reward for surviving a busy week. I'm being a bit more productive this weekend. I am going to the gym on Saturday morning, and then I'm dedicating the afternoon to cleaning up the garage.
Cleaning up the garage? You are truly dedicated.
Me, I'm probably going to have a lazy Sunday. I'll be on the sofa, maybe watching a movie or two.
I sometimes let myself catch up on sleep on Sundays. But one thing we both do, whether we're organized or spontaneous, is fully relax. That's the magic of the weekend.
Useful phrases and idioms.
To sound truly like a native speaker, you need a few colorful idioms. Let's look at some phrases for talking about your work-life balance.
Ooh, I love idioms. They make me feel so clever.
The first one is easy. Thank God it's Friday, or simply TGIF. We say this on Friday afternoons when the workday is finally over.
I use that one every single week. I say it dramatically. Thank God it's Friday.
Next, for those really busy days, you can say, I'm swamped with work. To be swamped means to be overwhelmed or covered with too much of something. In this case, work.
Example, can we talk later? I can't. I'm totally swamped with work today. Perfect.
When you're tired from a long week, you need to catch up on sleep. This means sleeping more than usual to recover from a period of not getting enough sleep.
Example, I only got 4 hours of sleep last night, so I need to catch up on sleep this weekend.
And finally, what do you do on a very relaxed Sunday? You have a lazy Sunday. This just means spending the day relaxing, maybe doing nothing much at all.
Example, my plans? Nothing at all. I'm going to have a lazy Sunday and not leave the house.
We talk a lot about the Monday to Friday work week, but that's not the same everywhere, right?
That's a great point, Jack. While most of the English-speaking world and many countries in Europe and the Americas have a standard Monday to Friday work week with Saturday and Sunday as the weekend, it's not universal.
I know that in some Middle Eastern countries, for example, the official working week might run from Sunday to Thursday, and their weekend is Friday and Saturday.
Exactly. So even the days of the week we associate with work and freedom can shift depending on where you are in the world. It just shows how flexible English has to be to describe all these different lives and schedules.
Whether your weekend starts on Thursday or Friday, the feeling is the same: freedom.
Now it's your turn. We want you to practice using the vocabulary and grammar we taught you today. Remember to use full, complete sentences, either using the present simple for routine or the present continuous for plans. Get ready to type. Here are the questions for our listener challenge.
What's your favorite day of the week and why? Hint, is it because you get to sleep in? What do you usually do on your weekdays? Hint, talk about your commute or your schedule. What is one specific plan you're doing next weekend? Hint, I'm meeting, I'm cleaning, I'm going.
We read every single comment, so don't be shy. Practice makes perfect, and we can't wait to see your answers.
All right, that brings us to the end of another episode of Smart English Talk. Today we covered key vocabulary for weekdays like commute and deadlines, and for weekends like sleep in and hang out.
And we learned the all-important difference between the present simple for describing your routine and the present continuous for talking about your definite plans. Your English will sound so much more natural just by using those tenses correctly. Our final challenge to you is to use one of our new idioms like I'm swamped or I need to catch up on sleep in a real conversation today. Practice speaking daily. That's the secret.
It absolutely is.
Thanks for listening to Smart English Talk. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments how your weekend looks.
Bye for now.